What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a charging adapter for your Tesla. So if you're looking to expand your charging options and you aren't able to go to a Tesla supercharger, then this is going to be an adapter that I highly recommend. This is going to be a J1772 to NACS adapter, or basically a J1772 to Tesla adapter. This is going to allow you to use those type charging ports up to 80 amps and expand your charging options. So let's open this up so we can get a look at it. So this is going to be a charger adapter for all Tesla models. You can see that this is going to go into your charging port on your Tesla model. And then on the opposite side is going to be your J1772 port. So this is going to allow you to go to other charging stations that doesn't have the NACS connection or Tesla connection, and allow you to charge up to 80 amps, basically a fast supercharge speed still in your Tesla vehicle. Now, this is going to be a great option to have to take with you. You can see that it's really small. So this doesn't really take up any room at all. You can put this in your glove compartment or put it in a bag in the trunk, in your sub trunk, in the front, wherever you may place maybe some safety equipment, have this along with it. So that way, if you're traveling, you can have more options just in case you need to stop at a non-Tesla charging station. This is going to be rated to work in different weather environments, so you don't have to worry about that. And this is really durable. It can withstand up to 4,400 pounds of force, so you don't have to worry about, something like this breaking on you over time. Now, getting this connected is really easy. You would just take your adapter, plug it into the J1772 charger. Once you have that connected, you can insert this into your charging port on your vehicle, and it's just that simple. So guys, this is an adapter that I highly recommend any Tesla owner have in their vehicle. You never know when you might need this, or you may be able to help someone else that may be in need of a charging adapter. So once again, this is going to be the J1772 to NACS or Tesla adapter for your Tesla models. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.